We mentioned a couple of days ago in our video on SPY that the 690 handle was going to be approaching us soon. And today it looks like in after hours, here we are. We're currently trading 690.46. As we're making this video, we're going to see how that plays out throughout the night going into tomorrow. But it looks like we're going to stay here for the time being. Now, as far as our resistance, what are we looking at? Well, on our weekly chart in here, we had these all-time highs sitting at 689.70. We said nice whole numbers working our way up until the chart tells us otherwise for our resistances. And that's what we're going to do. So 691, 692, whatever the chart tells us tomorrow is going to be our resistance. That's what we're looking at. But we're going to keep an eye on those nice whole numbers. So right now we're sitting at 690, 40-ish. We're going to be looking at 691 for our next resistance and so on. On the downside, obviously, since we are above 689.70, that is going to be our first support. Anything below there, we're going to be looking at that 685 level. And then we're watching right here, this 9-day EMA on the weekly chart. We're going to see if we can get 675 for a major support in here if we do get a drastic pullback. I don't think we're going to go back down there by tomorrow, but you never know what could happen. But as far as a longer term support, that is going to be a place we're going to set up shop this 9-day EMA. As far as our expected moves, everybody's pricing in right around a $3 expected move by tomorrow's close. Monday's close, everyone's expecting right around a 4.5 move. And if you go to Tuesday, looks like everybody is pricing in right around a $6 expected move in here in the S&P. So we're going to see what happens as we close out tomorrow. We'll see how that's going to affect this candle in here. And congratulations to all who are playing this thing to the upside. It looks like even on bad tech news, or I guess bad earnings from Oracle, I guess not really necessarily bad tech news overall, but overall with your chips kind of pulling back because of Oracle's earnings, that the market still said, you know what, we're still going to climb higher in here, and we're going to see where that ends up. So once those chips kind of catch up to the market, we're going to see where this thing takes us. But right now it looks like 691 is going to be our resistance going into tomorrow until things change, and our support's going to be that 689.70. So let's see what happens as we work our way into tomorrow. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.